Today I'm going to show you how to make this text reveal in Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting the Type tool and adding the text to your timeline. Navigate to the Essential Graphics panel to fine-tune the size and alignment of your text. Then uncheck Fill and add a stroke. Go to the Projects panel and insert a color matte for your composition. In the Effects Controls panel, uncheck Uniform Scale and adjust the scale properties. Set scale height to 1 and scale width to 33 for the line. Move the line under the text and position it accordingly. Move the playhead at the beginning and then move 15 frames ahead. Then set a keyframe. Move the playhead back at the beginning and set another keyframe with the value of 0. Ease in the last keyframe for smoother animation. Select the text layer and apply a rectangle mask from the Effects Controls panel. Adjust the mask to hide the text. Then invert the mask. Move the playhead at the beginning and then move it 10 frames to the right. Then make a keyframe to move the text out of sight. After that, wait for 15 frames and make another keyframe to move the text back above the line. Finally, go forward 10 frames and fix the position over the line. Remember to make everything smooth by easing all the keyframes. And the last step, open the velocity curves for finer control over the animation speed. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and until next time.